Lord, as we pray, teach us how we ought to pray. From the head boy and the rest of Team Jesus Band, we say,
Luciano make this.
to me right, to me right, way muchene ne moto, kana tona mata, mina mato yeah do you seek it? To me right, way muchene ne moto, kana tona mata, mina mato yeah do you seek it? Oh, sisa na mata chipupupu. Sisa pongo temuto chisi ya marufu kusewa tichada asichichikiro cha semesa nekuda kwa masoko mwea mchena tibaksire nekuda kwe muromo mwari baba kititi sei oh nekuda kwa masoko nekuda kwe miromo nekuna kwa masoko edu nekuna kwe miromo edu nekuda kwa masoko nekuna kwe miromo edu oh.
Tumirai, oh Baba tumirai,
Oh mama tumirai,
tumirai, mwea mutende we pa Pentecost.
oh baba tumirai,
Tumirai, oh Baba tumirai, yeah. Tumirai, mwea mutende we pa Pentecost.
oh baba we amutwene anotirangaritsa.
Therefore, when you pray, pray like
We
this.
amutwene anotititisa na matiro.
Hallowed be thy
We
name.
amutwene anotirangaritsa.
Thy will be done on earth as it is in
We
heaven.
amutwene anotititisa na matiro.
And forgive us our debts as we
We
forgive
amutwene